Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is your host KZ and today we are unboxing this new Mac Studio, which is M4 Max. It is a pretty powerful machine. I ordered it from apple.com and they delivered it to my office. So let's unbox it. Okay guys, so I am a PC guy. This was the first time I was like, okay, let's buy a Mac. So I ordered this Mac Studio. On the call, I was looking to buy the Mac Mini, but just to be safe and to future-proof myself, I ended up buying a Mac Studio, which is M4 Max. And it comes with 14-core CPU, 32-core GPU, and 16-core neural engine. And the memory that it has is 36 gig of memory, 512 gigs of SSD. So this is the base model. I was like, okay, let's start with the base model. So let's unbox this. What we say, Bismillah. Okay, Mac Studio. And here it is. Mac Studio. Mac Studio. It does say Mac Studio there. Mac Studio. So again, where is the tape? Unboxing here. So let's do this. Let's look at the box first. So on the box, this is the front side, there's Apple, and this side also shows all the ports that it has, so which is interesting. And the reason of getting Mac Studio was it has many ports, because I run a multi-display system with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screens. So this supports up to 8 screens, I believe. Let's unbox this. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. And then I lay it to the side again and open it like this, and there is the big boy. It's asking me to open it like this and this, and then probably this. I need to stand up to do the honors. This is big. The left. There it is. The Mac Studio. So all the ports that it has. 4 Thunderbolts at the back. This is Ethernet, then the power cord, power cable, and then 2 USB-A, which the new Mac Minis don't have, the HDMI, and the headphone jack, which the iPhone doesn't have anymore, and the power button. And on the front side, we have another Thunderbolt to USB-C port. These are not Thunderbolt, USB-C port, and a micro SD. Oh, not a micro SD, SD card slot. Okay, what else does it come with? So the power cord, which definitely I would need. What else? Does it have to come with anything else? I'm pretty sure it should, or no. Okay, there they are. So the stuff comes here. Okay. This is the French one. So Thunderbolt 5, Ethernet, HDMI headphone jack, power button, here, SD card slot, USB-C, Thunderbolt 5 or USB 3. Ooh, no, that's it. That's all it comes with. So, and this Mac Studio, and then the power cords. So that's it, the big boy, which I think it's a little big, and the power cord. So what I will do is I will connect it to my monitors and I will play around with it, and maybe in a week or so I will give my review, post my review about this bad boy. Please subscribe to my channel, follow me on all social media, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok, and I will post my review in a week. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you in the next one. Take care. Bye.